and guess where I am today? Yes, I am with an absolutely stunning Ferrari. Don't ask me what model, because me and cars, we don't go together. Me and food, give me a plate of food any day, and I'm in heaven. So instead, what I'm going to do today is introduce you to our motoring correspondent, Imran Safdar. Imran also belongs to Team Valiant, which is where this amazing beauty is today, and he's gonna show you around this stunning masterpiece. So over to you, Imran.
Hi guys, this is an exclusive for Asian Sunday TV. This beauty is a Ferrari Monza SP2. There's actually very few of these cars in the country. This is the SP2. The Icona series also has an SP1, that's a one-seater. But this has two seats, so the passenger and driver can get as close to that Formula One experience as possible. Now the facts and figures. It rides on 21-inch wheels. 0 to 60 is in 2.9 seconds. Interior, wow, beautiful Ferrari red interior. Sport bucket seats, carbon fiber steering wheel. And now we're going to show you the engine, which is the most powerful Ferrari engine in any of their road cars. It's fitted with a 6.5 V12 engine, and like I said earlier, it's based very loosely on the 8112 Superfast. Look at them, you could eat your dinner from them, couldn't you? Four beautiful exhaust, lots of carbon fibre everywhere. Of course, it wears the famous prancing horse badge of Ferrari, and the lights. So beautiful. As you know, Monza is a famous Formula One racetrack. Ferrari are based not far from there. So the two pods are really interesting. They're inspired by the Formula One team. The harnesses, the badge, everything about the vehicle reminds me of their proud racing heritage.